Okay guys, welcome back to another video of Michael's stream. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and press like. So today we're going to be having a couple experiments and we're going to be learning about carbon dioxide. Our first experiment is going to be a volcano eruption. This is pretty simple. All you need to do is ask your parents for the right ingredients. You'll need baking soda and vinegar. So first, it's going to be very simple. And then you can, if you want, you can put like a little bit of food coloring, but if you don't want, you're just going to have white bubbles. I mixed red and yellow because we didn't have any orange. So let's see what happens when I pour it in. It's going to be pretty awesome. Oh my god. I didn't even get finished pouring. Pretty awesome, right? All those bubbles. On the first try, it was blowing. You could, if you had a little bit more, you could just pour it in. Kind of looks like orange juice when you're done, but as you can see, all that liquid that was in here, the carbon dioxide, this you have to add vinegar and baking soda to make carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide that I mixture with orange food coloring goes out and into this little container. If you want to get like your table all orange, then you don't have to have like a little circle like this. Oh, and also if you want to copy me, then you can pause the video whenever you want if I'm going too fast. So our next experiment is gonna be the same thing but not an explosion. It's gonna, so you're gonna want either a balloon or a glove. Don't get like real fabric gloves that you make. Get like plastic and something that's stretchy. Put the vinegar into a little cup and then get the baking soda, put it in here. And then once you're ready, you will lift it up, make sure the baking soda goes in here, and then this glove will be flipping up because carbon dioxide would be in the glove. Ready? You want to see this? Wait. Oh my god! Oh! That's pretty epic. I did not know that was going to happen. If you want to do this same experiment, you're going to have white bubbles just like this. But if you add food coloring, it's going to be like this. This is our last experiment, and we're going to be using, of course, all of this stuff, and we're going to be using fire and a candle, so you might want your parents to help. And with pouring, you might want to help with it. Just like that. The candle went out because you didn't see anything pouring in, right? The carbon dioxide, you cannot actually see it. I was pouring the carbon dioxide in here, and then it made it go out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. like that. So you would probably see all that smoke. I just put out the can. So you cannot see anything going in. Make sure no water goes in. Always, you're doing the experiment wrong. Make sure nothing goes in. Hold it like this up close for 5 seconds, then pour nothing in, and then put it out. And this is the experiment is carbon dioxide, making it go out. And if you try like putting more of this in, it's not gonna work, trust me, because it's already been used. You can't use overused water just like this. So you can just pour it in like a different container. And then if you want to do the experiment over again, then just get a napkin, wipe it up, and then you can do this. So remember, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.